Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you all my summertime build-up removal routine. In this video, I'll be showing you how I get rid of any buildup I may have in my locks prior to refreshing my black hair color. You know, the sun has lightened it up a bit and washing it has lightened it up a bit, so I want to re-dye it black. I want to make sure that if I have any buildup, I get rid of it prior to dyeing my hair so that I can get the best results possible. As you may know, dye takes best to clean hair. So I want my hair to be really clean. And with it being summertime and my hair is constantly under the hot summer sun, I want to make sure that I pay close attention to moisturizing. So if you want to see what I do to get rid of any buildup I may have and to keep the moisture in my locks, keep watching. First, I gave my locks a good shake and rake. This will get rid of any dust or lint sitting on the surface of my locks. Point is that you don't want to wash your hair with lint on the surface because that will encourage the lint to lock into your hair. So don't skip this step whenever you wash your locks. Now, I saturate my locks completely. I'm outside using the hose because it's hot outside, so why not? Plus, this can be a little messy and smelly, so outside it is. Now I gather the ingredients from my spray bottle. I head to my lemon bush and pick a ripe one. Yeah, right. That's a bell pepper plant. Lemons definitely grow on trees, right? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Anyway, I get the juice of a whole lemon, apple cider vinegar about a cup, and lastly, peppermint essential oil. And I use several drops. Those are 3 of my favorite natural cleaning agents. I mix it into my spray bottle with water and I mist it all over my locks while squeezing it into my previously saturated hair. Wetting my hair thoroughly initially helps the cleanser to be able to be distributed into the locks better. As I spray it, I make sure to really work it in, especially towards my roots and the ends. The roots get the most product applied, so that's important to make sure I get a really good application there. And the ends are the oldest hair, so it's had the most time to accumulate buildup. Plus, it brushes against surfaces the most, so I really want to work it in there too. After I finish the whole bottle, I place my hair in a plastic bag and secure it with the leg of a pair of stockings. This will help keep the moisture in and generate heat to aid in the breakdown process of the buildup. I only keep it on for a couple minutes before I rinse it out in the shower. On to my first shampoo, which is Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo. I swear by this stuff, you guys. With continued use of this shampoo alone, you'll notice any buildup you have diminishing significantly over time. So if you do any one step, let it be this one. This shampoo also helps the follow-up shampoo to be more effective. So then I use Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. Whenever you're doing a deep cleanse, it's really important to replenish the moisture. So I'm using a really moisturizing shampoo. And I won't be using any conditioners. After I wash it all out, I went in for a retwist using nothing but the water that was left in my hair. I just got rid of any buildup I may have had, so I don't want to add any products to retox my freshly detoxed hair. And my hair holds pretty well without any gels, so it's not really necessary anyway. I decided to use clips to give my roots a break from my no clip retwist method, and I let it air dry and sun dry. Now I'm ready for a fresh dye job, which I'll do in a week or so. Be sure to check out my shop, www.lovelightlocs.storeenvy.com, for your lock accessories, my book, More Than a Hair Journey, The Black Woman's Guide to Self-Love and Lock Maintenance, and more. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.